Seaweed Fertilizer is an organic plant growth enhancer made from seaweed extracts. Rich in essential nutrients, vitamins, and trace elements, it promotes robust plant health and soil fertility. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, seaweed fertilizer supports sustainable gardening by improving soil structure and encouraging beneficial microbial activity. Ancient farmers in coastal regions, such as Europe, utilized seaweed as a natural fertilizer, recognizing its benefits for soil health and crop growth. Archaeological evidence and historical accounts, like those from Iceland, Brittany, and Ireland, highlight the long-standing practice of seaweed collection and use, dating back to the Neolithic era and documented in the 10th century. This practice continues today with modern methods. Seaweed fertilizer is created by harvesting fresh seaweed from coastal areas, which is then washed to remove salt and impurities. Seaweed is dried and either ground into a powder or soaked in water to create a liquid extract. This process ensures that the nutrients and beneficial compounds in the seaweed are preserved, making it an effective organic fertilizer. The best time to apply seaweed fertilizer is right after transplanting your plants, as it helps reduce transplant shock by providing a boost of nutrients that promote root establishment and overall plant health. This initial application ensures that your transplants get off to a strong start, enhancing their resilience and growth. To apply seaweed fertilizer after transplanting your plants, dilute the fertilizer with water according to the product's instructions, typically around 4 tablespoons per gallon of water. Apply it as a soil drench by pouring the mixture at the base of the plants to boost root growth and reduce transplant shock. This ensures the plants absorb essential nutrients right away, promoting a strong and healthy start. That was seaweed fertilizer in 100 seconds. If you liked the video, hit subscribe and I will link my seaweed fertilizer recommendation in the description below.